Hello children, once again. I hope you all are ready for the revision test, because last week I have told you to prepare chapter number 1. So this is the test for chapter number 1. This is revision. Now what you have to do is, first of all, you copy all the questions from the video in your rough copy. After writing the questions, then you will write the answers in the CW copy. Again I am repeating you, first of all you will copy all the questions from the video in your rough copy, and then from the rough copy you will start writing in your CW copy. Now what you have to do is, first of all, you have to sit with either your mother or your father. Your time will be 30 to 35 minutes or max to max 40 minutes, not more than that, because when we are in school you get one period for the class test. So here also we will take that much time, 30 to 40 minutes, and then in the copy when you will write only the answer. Don't write any question. Fill in the blanks, only the answer. Match the column, you have to copy and directly match it. True, false, you will write only the answer. This word meaning, you will write the answer. Question answers, you will write only the answer part. So after writing, you will give your copy to your mother or your father, and then they will check it with the help of pencil. Now if any mistake like spelling mistake is there, you will write it 5 times. If any answer is wrong, or by mistaken you have not written any line or any word, then you will write that answer 2 times. And if anything else is wrong, then you have to write it 2 times. But spelling mistakes will be done for 5 times. Got it, children? Now I will give you the test. Test chapter number 1, changes in the family. Write the meanings of relatives, tiring, bonded, ties, adopting. Fill in the blanks. A group of people who are dash to each other are called a family. Second, a family grows dash when a member marries. The birth of a child make a family dash. A family tree shows the dash between the different member of a family. Match the following: nuclear family, marriage, family, sibling, working parents. New member in the family, elder or younger brother or sister, crutch, 3 or 4 members, changes over time. So this is match the following. Match the following, you can do it. You can directly write it in your copy and you can match it, or you can write the correct answer over there also. Whatever you want, you can do it. I think matching will be good for you. So in matching you can you don't have to copy it 2 times. So write both the parts, and then after writing you can copy it. You can match it in your copy. All the question answers you have to do it in your CW copy. Now come to true false. A family with many members is called a nuclear family. Parents can add to their family by adopting a child dash. There are many families where children live with only one parent. So these are the true false. Now come up with choose the correct answers. A small family with only 3 or 4 members is called a dash. Single parent family, joint family, nuclear family. A nuclear family is made up of parents and their dash, parent, children and siblings. You have to choose, and then you have to write it here, or directly you can write the answer. The birth of a child makes a family dash, smaller, bigger and same. So the correct answer you have to write it. You will copy down this in the rough copy, and then when you will write it, you will copy down this, choose the correct answer. Number 1, correct answer you have to write it here according to the numbers. Answer the following questions. Don't write the questions in your CW copy, directly write the answer so that your time can be saved. Why is work important? Mention 2 ways in which you can help your parents after a day's work. Name 2 things which may change the size and structure of a family. Sorry. What is joint family? Fourth, what is a single parent family? Again I am repeating. Question number 1 is, why is work important? Mention 2 ways in which you can help your parents after a day's work. Question number 2, name 2 things which may change the size and structure of a family. Question number 3, what is a joint family? Question number 4, what is a single parent family? So here is your test. First of all, please learn the whole chapter. In between, please do not open the copy, neither the book. While writing, the book and copy will be set aside and you will sit with your parent for 30 to 40 minutes to write the test, so that it can be recognized that you have learned the chapter number 1 and then you are writing the test as you do it in your class. This is a small class test or a revision test you can think of, because we have completed 3 chapters. So one by one every week I will take the test of every chapter till now which we have completed, so that your learning part can also be completed side by side. Then again I am repeating, if any answer is wrong, write it 2 times and again learn it. If spelling is wrong, then write 5 times, and if any other thing is wrong, then you write it 2 times. Then one more thing is that you have to write the whole answers in your CW copy. What you have to do is copy the questions from the video in your rough copy. From the rough copy you can write it, see the questions from the rough copy, and then you can write it in your CW copy. The correction part will also be done in the CW copy. So till then, thank you children and all the best.